Hey guys, for my kitchen chemistry project, I chose to cook Lechon Paksiw. It is a Filipino pork dish, serves up to 6 people, takes only an hour to cook, and is pretty easy to make. I chose this for my project mainly because I had all the ingredients needed to make Lechon Paksiw with me already. So without further ado, let's start cooking. Pardon the black screen, by the way. I didn't really know what else to put. First off, you're going to want to go ahead and heat up the metal pot. I usually heat it up at a high temperature, but medium high is alright. When the pot is heated up fully, you want to pour in the beef stock. Just let it chill there and wait for it to boil. You'll know when it starts boiling when bubbles start appearing. When you notice that the mixture starts boiling, that's when you want to pour in the crushed garlic and the chopped onions. You can put everything in at the same time. You don't have to put the garlic in before the onion. That's just a rumor. When you put in the pot, just let it cook until the mixture starts looking soft. When it starts looking soft, you want to mix the bay leaves and the peppercorn that you have in a separate container and pour it into the mixture. After you do that, just leave it alone for a few minutes. After you let your mixture rest, you want to add the soy sauce. You don't have to swirl it around the pot. You don't have to mix it with your ladle. Just dump it in the pot. After this, you want to get your lechon and start putting in the pot one by one. This way, the lechon can all have an equal amount of sauce. Your lechon will become more tasty since the lechon is absorbing more of the soup. After letting the lechon simmer for 30 minutes, you want to start to add the vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar. I just prefer apple cider. After you add in the vinegar, make sure your mixture starts boiling, then let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Next, you're going to want to add sugar. But before adding sugar, make sure you mix the soup well with a ladle. This way, all the ingredients in the Lechon Paksiw will be completely mixed up. Now, all you have to do is just add the sugar and let it rest for 2 minutes. After letting the soup rest, you want to start stirring it again. After stirring it, you want to pour in all the lechon sauce. You can use any lechon sauce. I'm using Mang Tomas for my recipe. Make sure that all the sauce comes out of the bowl for a really nice flavor, then just let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Lechon Paksiw is almost complete. Now all you need to do is season it. I'm using a teaspoon of garlic salt, but you can use any amount of any seasoning that you want. Make sure you seal well after seasoning so the Lechon Paksiw can absorb all the flavor. And now, for the moment of truth. Does it taste good? As a matter of fact, it does. I was pretty surprised to find out how delicious it was. And that's pretty much it. That's how you cook Lechon Paksiw. Everything that I didn't list in my video, like the chemical and physical properties of my ingredients, will be in the description down below on a Google Doc. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.